All right, here we are in Wayne, New Jersey. Our good friends Mike and Tanya. We got new roof and stone already on the house, and ABC is delivering the siding right now. Our boys Brian and Mark over in Clifton ABC, shout out, always taking good care of us. Been working with those guys a long time. And yeah, we got the stone up a couple weeks ago. Siding's been back ordered as a lot of other things. We got a beautiful front door going in from RWC over in West Caldwell. It's a great window and door distributor. If anyone needs anything, they're great. Eric, go see Eric over there at RWC in West Caldwell. And we got Matt and Eloy putting in the front door right now. We got